Now I'm in my retirement home, which I deliver in, and now I'm gonna deliver the papers for all the people in the world. Oh, look how helpful I am. I'm so helpful. Please subscribe and please comment on my video.
When these people are mad, they're getting mad. They all smell like poo. I don't like them. See, look at one of them. Look how ugly he is.
Get off my lawn!
I'm going. I'm going. I don't like him. I don't like him at all. I want to go. I want to run away from home. I don't like him. I should be safe here. I'm hiding from the old grandpa. Oh no! There he is.
Get off my lawn!
Run! Don't let him know. Take that!
Oh! Get off!
I'm scared! Mommy! Help me! I'm scared! He's coming! Mommy! Run! I'm scared! He's coming very slow, but I'm so scared!